Today we're testing out the new VanMoof S3 electric assist bike. But before we get into that video, I want to let you know that we're going to be giving away one of these units to you guys. So go ahead and hop down to the comment section, leave your Twitter handle, and make sure to subscribe for your chance to win one of these futuristic vehicles.
I can still tell you the page number in that Canadian Tire catalog. That bike went everywhere with me. Give to have seen my face that day.
So today we have a relatively large package over here. This is a minimal electric bicycle with all kinds of added features, theft protection. Woo! A cool app that goes with it, and the best part here is that it looks like a regular bike. You're gonna love it. But we got to build it first, so let's go through that process together. I'm done. So far, so good. You just pull it out, and this gives you a sense for the design immediately. As you can see, some of the exposed components in this matte black finish right here. So this is pretty cool. You can see the way that they fit in the user manual as well as the toolbox down here. And this kind of have this dot style display that's on the bike itself, and it's a part of their actual branding. Look at how nicely organized all of this is. We have our variety of wrenches, and we've even got, hooray, we got ourselves a new bike. Ooh, chain lubricant. Our charge brick, so our power brick to keep it up and running. And they've even included a nice little pump, a gauge on it for your PSI. SIM card, which I presume is pre-installed. Ride the future with VanMoof. Look at this, this is our setup guide. So this is a special anti-theft attachment that goes into the wrench. This very unusual pattern on the inside grips onto their specific bolt.
So what you got to do is you got these screws here. You got to put this inserted up there.
Get it right up there?
Right in the crack.
Get her in there? All right, so the bike is built, plugged in, and charging currently, which is going to kick it out of the shipping mode. I noticed this light up display here, which is showcasing the fact that the bike is currently charging, but the rest happens within the application, and this is the setup process. Let us know where the bike is parked. You can also lock and unlock the bike. Now the way that works is it actually disengages or stops the tire from being able to spin. The tire is locked up, the rear tire. So it would be a real problem for a thief. Even if I pick it up, same thing, it knows. Any movement, it's just gonna be making noise if I try to move it while it's locked up. Then you have Find My built in as well, so you can track the actual location of the bike through your phone. You can track your rides, you can see your top speeds and your total distance. You can customize your motor support level, the bell sound, so there's a bunch to choose from. And then lastly, you have some peace of mind stuff for permissions, for sharing, as well as your maintenance timeline. Skull means I can't ride it right now?
It means don't steal it.
Cool. When your bike is not connected to your phone, start with a long press on the horn button. You hear a confirmation sound, and then your bike is in backup unlock state. So I press and hold. Goes into this pattern mode 1. 1, 2, 1. Unlocked. Very smart. Very smart.
Wow.
Oh, cool. Check
Like
this
that.
out. Different settings for gears. Flat, hilly, or custom gear shifting. Your light can be set to auto, always on or off. Got a nice headlight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You better not get in my way on Lakeshore there, Vid.
Why don't you go over to
It's assisted. It's pedal assisted. So I'm just flying without even touching it. If you look at this little section here, you see this yellow ring. That shows you that it's unlocked as well. And then this is the part that you kick in to lock it. So I just will... I like this bike. It's good. It's cool. It's acting like an accelerator. If I don't want to really work hard, I just press it. It's like a boost. It's really cool. It's hard to explain, but it's like a bike when you want it to be, and then it's like an electric vehicle when you want it to be. Like any type of hill or resistance, I just press the button and then the resistance goes away.
Huh.
That is so easy to ride. Sometimes you might be commuting to work, let's say, and you're not looking for a tremendous workout. You don't want to get all sweaty or whatever, but you still got to get from A to B. It kind of gives you some nice flexibility depending on your use of the vehicle. Now in the latest firmware, this button also doubles as a manual gear selector or shifter. So you have that option as well. Plus there's an accessory for a larger battery that will hook on and attach down here. So if you want even greater range, then that's another option for you as well. Go ahead and hop down to the comment section, leave your Twitter handle, and make sure to subscribe for your chance to win one of these futuristic vehicles. Today's episode has been sponsored by Micro Center. Micro Center is your tech heaven. It's one of the best places to shop for all your technology needs. Desktops, laptops, computer components, monitors, TVs, keyboards, mice, networking equipment, you name it, they've got it. Get the best prices and best selection on computer hardware and everything else technology at one of Micro Center's 25 locations across the United States. Check out the Micro Center Custom PC Builder to spec out the best PC for your budget. You can use this tool to help figure out what components you might want to put inside your gaming computer. The tool helps ensure all the parts are compatible and work together. Find stock available at your nearest Micro Center location, add it to your cart, and arrange same-day in-store pickup. Also, for a fee, you can check the box marked Same-Day Pro Assembly to have the Micro Center expert technicians assemble your PC for you. If you want help deciding what parts to put in your new custom gaming PC, join the new online Micro Center community. This is a great place to discuss tech with other enthusiasts. Now, Micro Center has a coupon code for you guys, so you can get some free Bluetooth headphones. Just go ahead and check out the link in the description. No purchase necessary. It is a limited time offer which is valid in store and is a limit of 1 per customer. All you have to do is enter your email address and that's it. Thanks again to Micro Center for sponsoring this episode.